Good morning. 7 o'clock. I'm gonna do some shopping again. When it works well here for the coffee place, we have to buy pretty much, so that's a good sign that I have to do shopping. The bad thing is that I hate that, and that's a little annoying to drive and go and grab things and go back and pack. But like I said, it's 7 o'clock. It's 0 degrees in my car with a good coffee. I mean, life can be worse. So yesterday it worked very good. We got a lot of customers. That's good because it's not a lot the days before. So that was good to see because I talked to some people around me and actually they didn't get so many people and we got a lot. So my thoughts were that we might get even more people today. Usually we always get most of the people on Friday and less on Saturday, less on Sunday, and not so much the last day on Monday. But today I have a feeling like it's gonna be more. We'll see tonight what happened, but I think a lot of people just reported, or they how do you say this? They delayed they come here. They're coming. So I think they moved the plan and they're gonna come today in this area instead of yesterday. You have a lot of people coming from big cities around here. It's like I don't know, 1 hour driving. So I think they preferred to make sure the road was fine, because yesterday it was still hard to drive. It was still a lot of snow on the road. Today it's not anymore. So it didn't snow at all last night. So I think it's gonna be more people. But it feels good. We prepared a lot yesterday. I closed the cafe at 8 instead of 9 because it was really nobody. And so I prepared pretty much, and I think I went to bed like 9:30. So I'm pretty fine today. Today is the last big day because tomorrow and Monday are gonna be easier to work. I will try to show you later during the day how it works for us. I will try to film more the cafe because I'm just filming myself right now. Some of you might like it, but I think it's a little boring, So I think it's better if I can film the place like this. You see the evolution of what we have, and 1 hour later what we don't have anymore, what we need to bake, what we can be funny. Okay, but see you soon.